Hello everyone. We the students of R&D Engineering College take immense pleasure in doing the project on communication theory domain. Now let's see what our project is on. Let's move on further. Our project is basically on the FM transmitter. Let's see the introduction of the FM transmitter. The FM transmitter is a single transistor circuit. In the telecommunication side, we will be seeing a vast range of applications for the FM transmitter and modulation. Basically, the concept of FM is being proposed by Edwin Armstrong, and it's been commercialized in 1920s and 1930s. But initially, it was used by German soldiers in the First World War. Now, let me hand over the session to Srivas.
Myself, Srivas. Let's see the components used in our project. First is transistor, condenser mic, resistor, capacitor, inductor, antenna, and battery source. Let's see how our project works. First, the sound is captured by the microphone and amplified and modulated by transistor 2N3904, and then sent through antenna and received by the FM receiver that is present in our phone. Thereby, phone is used as a receiver here. Then we will move to Sasi Kumar.
Let's see the circuit diagram. As earlier Shiva said, the mic will be catching that our speed signal which we give, and it will be amplified by the transistor we placed here 2N3904. And initially, when we after amplification, this is our tank circuit, inductor and capacitor connected in parallel source, and it will be this tank circuit will be modulating our speed signal, and it will be given to the antenna, and this antenna will generate the frequency range, and it will be catched by the receiver, FM receiver. Let's see the working model of our project. This is our working model. As the working model explains about that FM transmitter, let me hand over the session to Shanmugam.
Myself, Shanmugam, giving you some of the pros and cons of a FM transmitter. FM transmitter, basically, it is easy to use and the price is also very low. The efficiency of the transmitter is very high. It has a large operating range. This transmitter will reject the noise signal from an amplitude variation. Let's see about the cons. In the FM transmitter, a huge wider channel is required. The FM transmitter and receiver will tend to be more complex. Due to some interference, there is a poor quality in the received signal. Actually, this circuit diagram over here will be used in commercial radio stations. It is an FM transmitter complex circuit. Let's see about some of the applications of the FM transmitter. The FM transmitter are used in homes like sound systems in halls to fill the sound with the audio source. Few other applications are as follows: radio broadcasting, two-way mobile radio, microwave communication, TV sound transmission, cellular radio communication. Let me hand over this session to Revant for conclusion.
Myself, Revant. Now I am concluding the session. The test result of this project work revealed the successful achievement of the primary objective, the design, construction, and testing of all radio, broadcast transmitter, and audio console using frequency modulation FM with power rating of 20 watt of appreciable range operating on 9-volt power supply. Because of the impressive good result obtained from the usability test, the FM transmitter is now ready for either instructional or entrepreneur purposes. The successful completion of this research work has indicated that practical frequency modulation FM transmitter requiring low power input can be designed and constructed. Thank you for giving this wonderful opportunity.